Welcome back everyone to another App Tech Guru tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur part of a video within Filmora. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Filmora application. Now, for example, I'm just going to use a stock video. Now, after you import and add your video to the timeline, choose the appropriate setting, and now you can check the preview of the video. In order to add blur to a specific part of the video, go ahead and click on Effects at the top section. Then within the effects, you can use the search bar to search for mosaic. Once you find the mosaic option, you can drag and drop this above your video layer. You can position it to whichever point you wish to begin your blurring. And now the blur will appear at the center by default. You can move this to any point that you wish, and you may also rotate freely to match the object that you are blurring. Just make your desired change to the shape of your blur, and you may also change between various different shapes by clicking on the shape option alongside the mosaic toggle. From here, you can even create a custom mosaic. You also have the option to increase or decrease the amount of blur using the blur amount slider, and you can increase or decrease the amount of opacity as well. Once you have made your desired change, just click away from the mosaic layer and adjust the duration as needed. And now if you check out the preview, the blur will be added within your selected portion of the video. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur a specific part of video using the Filmora video editing app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.